Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my intro for my 19 in 2019. I'm very excited. I uploaded today my 18 in 2018. So if you guys haven't checked that out, definitely check it out. By the time you guys see this video, it'll be a week later, so it will be up already. Definitely check out my 18 in 2018. I did very good, so definitely again check it out. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And if you want to see what products I picked for the 19 in 2019 and what my goals are for each, then just continue watching. The first product I have for my project pen this year of 19 in 2019 is this primer from Kat Von D. This is the Hydrating Primer in Base, and this does have an airless pump, so this will be pretty easy to kind of mark off where I'm at, except once it gets up here, because then I won't be able to see where it's at. But right now I have it to right here, and I did mark it already, and my goal is to finish this up. I've had this for a really long time, and I just barely opened it this year, but I know I've had it since last year. It was just in the packaging. I hadn't opened it or anything, but it's just a primer that I've had in my collection for a while. I just want to kind of use it up and get it out of my collection and just kind of keep like fresher products in my collection. So I am going to try to finish this up. Another product that I'm going to try to finish up is by MAC. This is the Mineralized Charged Water. It's a skin hydrating mist, and as you can see, I marked it up there. It's by the MAC sign. This is another product that I've had in my collection for a really long time as well. I haven't used much of it, and I have a backup of it. I got it as a gift, but I need to use up one of them if I have a backup already, right? But I want to use this up and try to finish it up. I don't think I'll have any issues with it. I can spray this like before I do my makeup, and then also like during skincare. And it does say that you can use anytime after cleansing, before moisturizing, and to reset applied makeup. I didn't know that you can use this like to set makeup, so I'll probably use that as well. So I have those two products. I have 2 foundations that I'm going to try and tackle this year. The first one is by Makeup Forever. This is the Matte Velvet Plus, and I believe I'm like halfway mark. I wanted to put this in here because, again, I've had this for a while, and they don't sell this foundation anymore, so I want to go ahead and finish this up. And then another foundation I want to finish up is this one by NYX. This is the Total Control Drop Foundation, and as you can see, I marked where it's at, and again, I want to finish this up. This is not a full 1 ounce bottle, so I don't think I'll have very much issues with it to finish up, but you never know. So I'm going to try to finish that up. I have 2 of these ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. The first one is in the shade Weenie. I'm finding that this is starting to dry out, so I want to hit pan this one as well. Try to hit pan and maybe half of the product after that. And this is in the shade Girly. It's just like a pinky, like a gold pinky duochrome one. It's really pretty. Another product that I've had for a while that I haven't used is this one by The Balm. This is the Mary Luminizer. It's a highlight. I want to hit pan on this. I don't want to use it up. I had that problem in my last project pan. And yeah, I want to try to hit pan on this. I feel like there's still quite a bit of product in here, so I want to try to hit pan on this. Next up, I have this NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder, and I don't think you can get this anymore, so I want to try and finish this up. I did weigh it, and I also marked it, so I'm kind of in the halfway mark, and when I weighed it, it said it was 61 grams. Again, it kind of looks like it's halfway, but again, trying to use this up. You can't find that anymore, so I want to just use it up and get it out of my collection. This next product is something that I'm rolling in from last year in my last project pan, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. I had put this in my halfway mark, the 6-month update, and I didn't finish it, as you can see, so I want to finish this up this year, hoping that since it's gonna be in my intro, hopefully maybe in 6 months it'll be done. We'll see, hopefully sooner, because I've been using the heck out of this and there's still so much product left over, so I will try to finish this up. Next up, I want to finish this up. This is the CoverGirl Outlast All Day matte finishing powder in light medium, and I repressed this because I had some on the edge, but as you can see there's still quite a bit of product. I think I have like 10 to 15 more uses of this, and 10 to 15, it kind of seems like a lot, but I don't know. But definitely more than 5, so I want to try to use this up also. Another product I don't want to use up is this one by Maybelline. This is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in Natural Beige. And you can kind of see pans getting close on here. But I want to use this up. I've had this again in my collection for a while. I want to try and keep my collection fresh. So this is another product that I want to use up this year. A product that I had in my last project pan, and then I ended up decluttering it because I felt like I had 3 primers because I had concealers and an actual eyeshadow primer, and I decluttered it, so I figured I can put it in this project pan. This is the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer, and when it was in my project pan, it was marked right there. I tried to kind of squish it all the way down, and it does kind of get to right there, but there's a lot of air right here, so I don't know how full it actually is. So as I keep using it, I feel like I'll get a more, like in my next update, I'll have like a better where it's actually at. But this is one that I want to finish up. This is one of the primers I've had at least like a couple years, so definitely want to use this up and get it out of my collection. Another product that I want to use up is this one by Tarte. This is the under eye corrector in light medium. I've had this again for a while as well. I don't think there's very much product in here, but I want to use it up and get it out of my collection. It's a cream product, so cream products don't last as long as like powder products, so another product I want to use up. I want to hit pan on this highlighter. I guess I have 2 highlighters to hit pan on. This one's by Laura Geller. This is the Baked Gelato Illuminator in Gilded Honey. And you can kind of see that the swirls in the middle are kind of starting to diminish. So I want to hit pan on this, another highlight that I've had in my collection for a while. This is really pretty, and I feel like I have a nice like mix of highlights because this is like a gold highlight, whereas this one's like a white gold, so they're kind of different. So again, I want to hit pan on that highlighter. I have 3 lippy products. The first one is by Kat Von D in the shade Lolita. I've had this again for a while. I want to use up this product, and yeah, I want to use it up. I'll do a swatch. It's a really pretty like mauve-y shade. I have like the deeper version because they had 2 like different versions of Lolita, which was like a nice like everyday color, and then they had another version where it was like a dark mauve color, which is what I have. I think it's pretty. I'll be trying to use this up. Another lippy that I'm trying to use up is by Maybelline. This is a Color Whisper in the shade Pinup Peach. So this is what I have left of this, hoping I could finish this up. Another product I've had for a minute now, and I did mark it on my sheet here, so I am right here, and this is where the edge of the lipstick is at, so I want to try to use all that up. And then I also have another Kat Von D lippy. These are the Studded Kiss lipsticks, and this one's in the shade Lovecraft, and I have a full size of this. This is just again a mini, and I want to use it all up. I have a full size, so I want to get this mini out of my collection. And again, I did mark it, so this is where it's at, and this is the product I have left over. Hoping I meet my goals for those to finish those 2 up, or all of the products. It seems like I'm trying to use everything up that I'm putting in here. The last 2 products I have in this project pan are eyeshadow palettes. The first one is this one by Urban Decay. This is the Naked 2 Urban Decay Basics. And here's what it looks like. I dropped this palette and these 2 shades shattered. I tried fixing them and this one just didn't. It was when I first started like repressing stuff and I wasn't really good at it. So it just kept crumbling off, whereas you can see this one's kind of crumbling off too. I thought about repressing it, but I'm just going to focus on these 4 shades over here because I feel like this is just going to end up like falling apart on me too, and I want to hit pan on all 4 of the shades and get it out of my collection after I hit pan. Maybe I'll try to use them all up because I don't think there's very much product in here, but I do want to at least hit pan on all of these 4 shades that are fine in this pan, in this palette. And then the last product I have here is this Lorac Pro 2 palette. And here's what that looks like. I have no pan in these. And my goal for this is to at least hit pan, 1 or 2 pans in each update. I don't know if that's a lot. I feel like these ones are probably easier to pan than the palette I had last year, which was the Balm Meet Matrimony. That one is, the pans are very big on those, and they're also very, very pigmented, so a little bit went a long way with those. So I'll try to hit like pan in like 1 or 2 pans in each update, because I will be doing like quarterly updates for you guys. I don't know, hoping for 1 or 2 pans in my 3-month update for you guys. And yeah, I've had this palette for a while. I thought about decluttering it, but I kind of wanted like a cool tone palette to use for this project pan, just because the Meet Matrimony is kind of like warm tones, kind of. And I'm kind of tired of warm tones at the moment, so I wanted something different. So those are all the products in my 19 and 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have a project pan that you are starting this year, let me know down in the comment section below, because I'd love to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!